This is the attic. It's 145 degrees. I'm literally sweating out of my clothes. This is going to be, for the most part, it's going to be attic and indoor air handler. And for the most part, it's going to be silent. And I'll just read this and get my notes. Our walkway is supposed to be a minimum of 24 inches. Okay. I'm not seeing soffit baffle vents, I'm seeing dirty insulation. This is what I would imagine to be the upstairs unit. It has a shallow P-trap. It's not insulated. I don't see a care and use manual. There's the air filter right there. I'm not going to get the data plate. I'm not going to get the data plate. I can't. Got a kinked air duct, sagging air duct. Now we do not have a 30-inch wall service platform. I might get a data plate. Depends. Okay, we got a gable vent, so we got mixed vents. We got sagging duct, dirty. See those little trails? People didn't make those trails. Mice made those trails. Insulation too close. Collar beam's not properly fastened. Overblow. This is another old unit, like the other old unit. No sediment trap. Good stuff going on here.